Okay, so I just got the Philips Sonicare toothbrush, and I'm going to do an unboxing of the toothbrush. Okay, so quite a heavy box, and well, it's just the size you'd expect of it, like most other toothbrushes. It's slightly bigger as well because of the UV sanitizer. So you've got the toothbrush in there. Over there you've got toothbrush, nice case there. Okay, and in the box you've got the manual, right? Okay, and you've got it in different languages: English, Dutch, France, German, Italian. Dutch, unfortunately, no Mandarin, but I guess it was targeted for this market. Anyway, so let's see what's in the box. How do you open this? Okay, so as you can see there, I've opened it, and it's been designed with a seal so that you cannot reseal the box. I'm sure that's for safety reasons. Over there you've got the case, two brush heads, the toothbrush, and that's the UV sanitizer and the charger on two cables over there. So I'm just going to remove that from the case now. So there you have it, the case and two brush heads. I think these brush heads are got different uses, but anyway, two brush heads over there, and that's the toothbrush. You have to charge it for 24 hours before you can use it for the first time, so I can't wait. And that's the sanitizer. And the charger over there. The head fits in there. So here's some seals. I'm not sure what these are for, but it's all in the manual. Okay, so there you have it. That is the unboxing of the Philips Sonicare toothbrush with the UV sanitizer, and I might be uploading another video with the review about it.